Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Do you think someone might be spying on your Android phone? While spyware isn't common for most users, it is still a good idea to know the warning signs. In this video, I will show you 5 things to check that could indicate your phone has suspicious software or unwanted tracking apps. Before that, here's a quick rundown of what we will cover. Sign number 1, unusual battery drain. Sign number 2, your phone gets hot for no reason. Sign number 3, strange data usage. Sign number 4, unknown apps or permissions. Sign number 5, unexpected pop ups or device behavior. Let's check each one. Let's get started. Sign number 1, unusual battery drain. If your battery suddenly starts draining much faster than normal, even when you are not using your phone, a background app could be consuming extra power. Open settings, then battery, and review which apps are using the most battery. If you notice an unfamiliar app consuming a lot of power, investigate it before keeping it installed. Sign number 2, your phone gets hot. Does your phone become unusually warm while it is sitting idle? Background processes, including some malicious apps, can increase CPU usage and cause your device to heat up. Occasional warmth is normal, but constant overheating without heavy use deserves attention. Sign number 3, strange data usage. Open settings and check your mobile data or network usage. If you notice a large amount of data being used by an app you don't recognize, it could be sending information in the background. Review the app carefully before deciding whether to uninstall it. Sign number 4, unknown apps or permissions. Go to settings, then apps. Look through the list for apps you don't remember installing. Also, review sensitive permissions like microphone, camera, location, and accessibility. Only grant these permissions to apps you trust. Sign number 5, unexpected pop ups or strange behavior. If you are seeing frequent pop ups, random apps opening by themselves, or settings changing without your permissions, your phone may have unwanted software installed. Restart your phone and install suspicious apps, and keep your apps updated from trusted sources like the Google Play Store. And that's it. And hey, for disclaimer, this tutorial is for educational purposes only. These warning signs do not automatically mean your phone has spyware. Many issues, such as battery drain or overheating, can also be caused by normal apps, outdated software, or hardware problems. Features and new names may vary depending on your Android device model and software version. Wireless Solutions is not affiliated with Google, Samsung, or any Android manufacturer. And those are 5 warning signs that could indicate suspicious software or unwanted tracking apps on your Android phone. Keeping your device updated, installing apps only from trusted sources, and reviewing app permissions regularly are some of the best ways to protect your privacy. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more Android tips, privacy guides, and troubleshooting tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.